Do not allow dust to accumulate. And breathe fresher, healthier air at home. Vacuum cleaners are too expensive, up to $627. It exceeds your budget. We don't worry. In this video, we will introduce you to 6 vacuum cleaners of high quality and at very reasonable prices. You will find the links of these articles at the top in the comments. 1. Rowenta X-Force RBT 2759 electric broom 2-in-1 with vacuum cleaner and vacuum crumbs, HEPA filter, cyclonic technology, bagless, motorized brush, red, black, 600 watts, energy class A+, $386. 2. Hoover H-Free 100HF 122RH vacuum cleaner multifunction cordless broom, powerful 22 volts, great autonomy 40 minutes, maxi capacity 0.9 liters, parking position, washable filter, embedded accessories brush furniture plus nozzle $142, black plus Decker BX VMS 600E, 2-in-1600W bagless cordless vacuum cleaner, 6 meters cable, powerful and lightweight, cyclonic system, HEPA filter $80. H-Canig UP600 Power Clean Cordless Broom Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, 2 speeds, powerful compact, lightweight, standalone silent, 120 watts, multifunction for home car offices. Holte Vaporetto SV460 double dual function steam broom with hand steam cleaner, 17 accessories, kills and eliminates 99.9% of viruses, germs and bacteria, 1500W, 0.3 liters, blue/white $143. Hoover H-Free 100HF 122 GPT, cordless broom vacuum cleaner, powerful 22 volts, cyclonic technology, autonomy 40 minutes, special pet hair brush, large tag 0.9 liters, LED lights, 2 speeds $160.